Hi.
Ready? Hi, welcome to IIT Patna.
Thank you.
Your name?
My name is Arun. Arun Sahu. Arun Sahu.
Hi, Arun Sahu. So, how's your feeling today?
It was great to be part of such an organization. You know, most important thing is networking. And you have some experience and you need a right forum and you want to meet the right mindset of people. You get the opportunity like Microtech has given us. And with this opportunity, we can explore and diversify ourselves. And when you diversify, you mitigate the risk because as the seniors and politicians have said, there is a very volatile world over there in next few years. And up to when you will work for yourself. At certain point of time when you realize that you have to work for yourself and you have to give jobs to others, then there should be some degree. And when you have a tag of IIT, it is a topping.
Big bang.
It is a topping on the cherry.
Yeah.
So you should do and involve with organizations like IIT, and it's your responsibility to network with the right guys. Look, we have a very good people around us, and while preparation of MBA, what we have observed that the community or the group we have done form to develop ourselves and study together, we have made a lifetime partners and friends,
Yeah.
So no such organization can give, Mr. Nagain is one such guy who lead from the front, Yeah, so Nagain, please join. Yeah, Nagain, please join and continue. He is such a leader, everyone admires him.
Of course. If you don't mind, can you please share your special moments?
When we started preparing for MBA, there is certain mindset like we have to go on a traditional way of preparing notes, preparing for seminars or whatever you say. Then as the MBA progresses, we identified the strength of our team members. We have formed a small group for studying together. There is person from oil and gas, there is from subject matter expert like Vikas, and there is Nagain who is a pro in IT field, and we have certain persons. When we work together, there are such strength in AI, that the subjects we have having finance. So the group learning that we have done, so that is the biggest learning we have done together, and at the end the degree of IIT Patna is worth appreciating and sharing to our family members.
Thank you. Thank you so much.